Hey guys, Fanyana and guys are finally caught in action by Philile, and I want to talk about that more here on this video. But before going to it, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I knew that this day was going to come. I actually knew that guys and Fanyana were eventually going to get caught, but I never really thought that would be so quick. I actually thought that they were going to get each other pregnant before getting caught. But then we're here now. So if you haven't watched Smoke and Mirrors in a while, here's what happened. Guys and Fanyana decided that Bona, they are going to be in a relationship and that they are not going to let anyone or anything separate them. So they were used to kissing, hugging, doing all the stuff that people who are dating around the house do. So on one of this week's episode, they do their usual stuff, which is kissing in the kitchen, not knowing that Philile was going to end. So when Philile enters, she came across this. Now, look at her face. I guess this was not really on her bingo card. And I think this was stupid and careless of you guys and Fanyana, because if you want to keep such a secret, you really need to be very careful. But I guess they did not care if they get caught or not, which is also stupid. Phela Umandla considered them as siblings. He even calls guys Madlamini, which means that she considers her as his own daughter. Now him finding out that they are dating, I don't even know what to think about it. Even worse for Fanyana. I mean, Umandla is always strict and harsh towards him, so he's definitely going to kick him out of the house. And him being kicked out of the house will mean that he's going to have to get himself a place to stay, which is also going to be very hard for him. Ngoba phela Umata is also going to kick him out of this hotel when he finds out what he's dating her daughter. Kahle life kaFanyana is a mess at this point, and I really cannot wait to watch it all unfolding. Also, they might get lucky because Ihlazo le Philile is one namahlazo, so she can also just decide to keep quiet and not tell anyone about this. In fact, I hope that she's going to keep quiet and not tell anyone. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, do press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.